Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Motovlog Ronnie. Today we are here again for the most awaited scooter in an electric, which is from the brand Yeta. So Aether comes with the two different models. So both the models that we are seeing right now is 450X to my left and 450X as well to my right also. There is no much difference with 450X and 450. That difference we are going to explain you soon, and we'll show you how 450 is in a while. So it's a time for us to talk about the technical specifications of this scooters, electric, right? So the most important things are the motor and a battery. Let's talk about 450X for now. 450X battery is almost 2.9 kilowatt hour. So we have a 6 kilowatt motor in 450X. When we talk about 450, we have a 5.4 kilowatt of a motor there. So obviously, right, 450X, it should be more powerful than 450, normal 450. So the battery is around 2.6 kilowatt is what you are going to get with 450. So top speed is a much important thing. We have a different modes right here with 450X, and there was one mode which is missing with 450, which is called warp mode. The 450X is going to give almost top speed of 80 km per hour. So the 450 is almost 70 km per hour, 10 km per hour less with that motor what you are going to get with 450. And the thing which is called the range, right? Range per charge, which matters a lot. So the charging time is almost 5 to 6 hours to fully charge both the vehicles, and you're going to get a range of almost 85 with 450X, and with 450 you're going to get a range of around 75. So that is about the mileage or a range that you're going to get with a per charge. So both of this vehicle weighs around 108 kgs with a loading capacity of almost 200 kilos. So if here anybody have showed you, the skeleton of the vehicle right here today. So we are going to give the information on what do you have whole and soul of Aether 450s that what we have. So let's get on little closer to see about few components which is available. So let's get on to the tire. Tire, what you see is a tubeless tire from an MRF what you are going to get, and this front tire is 90/90 section tire is what you are going to get with this scooter. So here we have a rear tire where it's again from an MRF, and the tire size is same as the front one, which is 90 section tire is what you are going to get. So we have a rear brake that you are seeing. So both the sides you are going to get a disc brake for this, and when you get a disc brake, you have a good amount of braking power with this, with the speed of almost 80 km per hour. So it's a good braking. So you are seeing at the front again we have a disc brake from Bi-Brake. So this the disc brake. So here we are seeing the front suspension, as you can see, which is a telescopic suspension what you are going to get. So here you see at the rear monoshock suspension. So this is a monoshock suspension what you get, and front it is telescopic suspension. So this is where the battery will be under this aluminum plate what you are seeing. So this body what you see right now is whole aluminium, and aluminum it gives a better stability for the vehicle and withstanding power as well. So this aluminum, and here is the battery for you. So the 6 kilowatt motor what we talked about. So here you are seeing the motor. This is the place where the motor will be kept. So I said that this is a belt driven, and you can see the motor right here, which is connected through two of the belts. So it is a belt driven, motor, what you can see. So now you see a whole skeleton where all of this material, whatever you are seeing, the silver one, which is the aluminum frame, what you are going to get, which is so sturdy, and that is the reason they have made it as a skeleton to show to the customer what they are using with these vehicles. It's a good concept to show what is there in the vehicle also, right? So this is how, without a plastic, the vehicle, without a fiber, the vehicle looks. Okay, so here you see the docking stations where you have chargers right here, which are the fast chargers from the Ather, which is available for you. So basically, the charger looks something like this. So this is a fast charger, and so here this is where the charger is connected to the vehicle. So this is the charging point where you charge your vehicle. So no detachable batteries, and you have to charge the vehicle with the charger directly. So here this is the mint green color what we talked about. You can see a mint green with a 450 plus. This is the one 450 plus, not the X model. So the rear light, it is a very sleek and slim design what you are seeing. The Ather is, the branding is written right here. The indicator is also integrated. You can see the indicators right there. From the front you have a two DRLs right here, and you have a headlight, so you can do high beam and low beam right there. And if I turn on the indicator, you can see which is also available right here. So this is the charger which is being given with the vehicle to you, and you can see the charger right here. So this is how a lot of pins are there. So this is how the charger looks. This charger is 16 amps charger what you are going to get with the vehicle. So you can plug it to any of the 5 amp sockets and get a refill out of it. So what is written right here. So here comes the instrument cluster what you are seeing, and this is a 7-inch TFT display. If I turn it on, so you can see 450X right there, and this is how the display looks. So what do we have in the display basically? So you can see the speedometer right here, and the range with the modes. So there are multiple modes right here for you, and the battery level, and average speed, trip meter, odometer, and Bluetooth connectivity. So this is basically a touch screen. With the help of touch screen, you're going to do a lot of things right here. So you have a different modes. So the button to change the mode is right here. If I do this, so you can see a ride mode, so sport mode, this is a warp mode. So almost 4 modes are available with this, and based on the modes you can see the the estimated range will get changed. So modes means speed. When the mode when you switch on to the modes one by one, you are going to increase your speed and decrease your range. So that's how it works. So if we talk about other things, it can say the motor is off because the vehicle is off, that's why the motor is off, it is showing to you. So here you are going to get to see the time as well. Navigation, you can do it right here with this. So if I press on this, the map, just like the Google Maps, is going to just open for you, and you can save your home and office addresses, so that if you click on it, it will navigate very easily for you without inputting anything. So this is about the map. And if I go here, so you have a few settings. So with the name of who has bought this vehicle, and the registration, VIN number, and software version. So settings, if I go, you can adjust the screen brightness right here, and dark mode. So this is a dark mode, so you can keep it to auto based on the lightings. Errors, then since this vehicle runs with the software, there will be errors which is also being shown if there is any problems with the vehicle, and you can just give that error code to the showroom and they'll tell you what has happened. Bluetooth, Bluetooth is useful. Here you can see incoming calls will be shown and music you can play with it only when you wear your Bluetooth headphones connected to this vehicle. So this Bluetooth feature what you are seeing is not available with 450. Here the documents, whatever the documents that you want, if you want to store it, the vehicle documents, you can store it here. Shutdown is the one if you are not using vehicle for the long time, uh, you can click on shutdown and the vehicle gets off. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So in here what you are going to get as a switches, so high beam, low beam, and you are going to get indicators, and you are going to get horn, so the button to start, and the mode, the function to change, the key to mode, change the mode, and here the quick kill switch you are going to get. So this is the key that you are going to get with the vehicle of Ather, and if you insert right here, so if you turn it completely to the left to open the seat, so if you open the seat, you are going to get 22-liter space right here. You can keep a bigger helmet, that is possible with this, and here you see the light for your boot space. So this is about the boot space. So the color is also very much important for you. Based on your likings, you're going to get 3 different colors with this. 2 of it you are already seeing. Here it is a space gray, and this is a white one, and there is one more which is called as mint green. So Ather, this is what you see. This is the place where it's just right opposite to the Kia Motors that you are saying. So this road is a Hunsur road, and we have a Ather showroom right here, which is a very new one, which was just opened few days ago. So we have this 450X. So we are in eco mode. When I sit on this, the first impression is like it just feels like a normal electric normal scooter, like a petrol scooter. So to start this, so you can see a motor is off right now. If you hold this and switch this, so kill switch is not on, motor is on, it shows. So now the 450X is what we have here. So we go for a short spin and see how does this work. So it's in eco mode right now, so we're not testing in an eco mode. We go to warp mode. So this mode is available only in 450X. Sports warp, sports economy. We'll go in eco mode. Eco, we'll go up to 48, 50, 52, 53, 54. I'm almost 55 in an eco mode. And if you change it, if you start giving accelerator and try to change it, it doesn't change. So we go in this mode, ride mode. It goes little bit more, 60, 61, almost 62, 63 is with the ride mode. When you switch to the sports one, the power kicks in so well, you could be able to feel that. So in the sport mode, almost 83, 82, 83, and in the warp mode with the 63%, you will get 32 kilometers. So we have a 6 kilowatt motor right here. I think it was a very short spin that we took it for. I think there are a lot of videos on the test rides, you can check it out. And overall I felt if I have to buy one of the electric at the current situation, I'll go with Ather for sure. That is my only option, it would be. So the choice is yours, and we are in Mysore today.
Walkman almost you can take it up to 90-95. It's not a problem, guys. So that's all. We are back to the showroom, and thanks for Vanasiri Ether for giving us an opportunity to ride. And that's all for the day. If I put the stand, then the motor gets off. You don't have to turn off or do anything.
Finally, it's time to talk about on-road price of these scooters, which is let's start with the 450X. The on-road price of 450X is going to be around 1,31,000 rupees, and with a 20,000 more, you are going to get 450X, which is almost 1.51 lakh rupees on-road Mysore. And when there is a competition outside, I feel Ather stands out a lot in a premium segment of electric scooters, and that is what makes a lot of people to turn around and look into these brands, which is Ather. So the service is also important. After buying a vehicle, you should have a good service with the vehicle too. So every 5,000 kilometers, you are going to keep this vehicle for service, and you are going to get approximately around 800 to 1,000 rupees for a service of these vehicles. Sir, namaste.
ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತ.
ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಬೈಕ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಓನರು?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ನ?
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಏತರ್ 450X ಬೈಕು, ಸಾರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಟ್ರು. ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಟ್ರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬೈಕ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 85 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸು ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳು ಸಿಟಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ರೇಟು ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ರೇಟ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬೈಕು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಏತರ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಬೈಕು. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬೈಕು. ನಾನೇ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು? ಇನ್ನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಬೈಕಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ಗಳು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ಪು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೈಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
ಬೈಕ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದಿನ್ನೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ?
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬೈಕ್.
ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
ಸರ್? ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮನೇಲಿ 5 hours ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 80 to 85 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತು.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಬಳಸಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬೈಕು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಪರಿಸರ ಉಳಿತದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಣನೂ ಉಳಿತದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
So finally, I think we hope we have given a good amount of information on Athers today, and thanks for all your support on other videos that whatever we have did, and I hope we are going to get a good response to this as well. Thanks for watching, and as usual, have a safe ride, and do visit Vanasiri Ather Energy, which is a dealership of Ather, and have a test ride of the vehicles. Test rides are available, and so as usual, have a nice day and a safe ride. Thank you so much for watching.